Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing, a Lamley outdoor unboxing. Give you an idea. This is Eagle Canyon in Utah, very much in the center of the state. If you look a little bit to the right, you'll actually see I-70, a big thoroughfare that takes you to Denver going east, eventually hits I-15 going west down to LA and Vegas and all that. Some people don't even realize as they're driving through here that there's this beautiful canyon right next to the highway. And I stopped by to do this outdoor unboxing. Why not? At this beautiful location. I've got my case, E-case sent to me by Mattel. It's a US E-case, E being the number. That's the code that tells me it's US. I've even got my box cutter with me. So let's get right to it. You might even hear a truck here and there because the freeway is actually, or highway, is not that far away. It's maybe a quarter of a mile. But yeah, this is a very deep canyon with lots of slot canyons. I'm not too familiar with what's in the E-case. So not only are we going to see this beautiful location, but we're also going to see some very, very cool cars. Let me get it all in the shot and let's go for it. We start, Formula E Gen 2 car in gold. That looks better than all the other ones from last time. Volkswagen Beetle, last year I mean. And the Twinnin' in Winnin', new for 21. Kind of a cool off-road type car. Oh. 67 Ford GT40 Mark 4. I'm going to get all my codes messed up. That is amazing. I think Rio Asada teased this one several months ago. And there is a classic race car if there ever was. I know a lot of people that are going to be excited about this one, including me. Some Lamley riders too. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. Looking good in blue. I know some people may not like the brown wheels, but I do. And then the, whatever that is, the Bat Plane. Always a Bat car in every one of these. I'm going to put that one right there. I don't want it to blow away because if it does, it might go down the canyon. I'll tell you where it is if you want to go find it. Forward Force, Audacious, Silverado Trail Boss. There's that RX-7 was the Super in the last case. The D case, here's the GMC Cyclone. We've already seen that. And the Praying Menace. Can't remember if that's new or not. I don't know. I'm trying to remember. I'll remember what the Super Treasure Hunt is if we see the car. And I don't know what the regular is, so if you guys can tell me in the comments. Duck and Roll, that looks to be glow in the dark. That's kind of cool. Steer Clear and the Loco Motorin. And again, I apologize for the crinkle. I'm in my coat because it's cold. Grand Cross, and it's getting colder. 95 Mazda RX-7. Again, there's that Honda CRX. In that Honda City Turbo Tribute Deco. We showcased that in the DK showcase. Ooh. Hot Tub is back. I wonder if it's been modified. We have not seen the Hot Tub in forever. 317, is that St. Patrick's Day? 20 Jeep Gladiator looks cool in blue. Digging that one. And then the Astana Hodo. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. Oh, wow. Volkswagen Beetle. How about this one? That's not what I was owing about. This is the one I was owing about. Corvette C8R. It is here. Hot Wheels take on the new C8 Corvette. Matchbox did the stock one. Here's the race car. Wow, that looks good. I'll definitely be opening that up. That's a highlight for sure. Let's put that... Don't blow away, Corvette. The only one I got so far. Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. Gotta move these like this so that they don't blow away. Okay, we've seen the GTO already. I think we've also seen the Speed Driver. We've definitely seen the Loco Motorin. GT Hunter looking cool. Astana Hodo and the See Me Rollin'. Do you guys like these outdoor unboxings when I can do them? All right, we do have another Corvette. It's falling down. There is that Corvette. Again, a second one. Happy to see that. And then the aisle driver is here, and the Kia Stinger. Third color, this one goes in the collection. I collected both the new colors. I was hoping they would do another plain one. We do not want that to blow away. So I'm going to put it right here under my shoe. But that Kia looks great. Fantastic. Lots of highlights. And yes, this would be the Super, right? The Corvette C7 Z06 convertible. This is not the Super, but it's in that K&N. I think they did a Super in the same kind of deco earlier. That looks good. GTO and the twinning and winning. Man, I'm liking that C8. Okay, I'm going to move this up a little bit. Don't want to lose my cool cars here. All right. Manga Tuner we've already seen. 2Jet Z we've already seen. And the Mars Perseverance Rover we have already seen. Oh, a mystery. The Mystery Machine is back. It's got those cool classic wheels on. Haha. There's the Jag. Like the Jag, love the Prelude. Looking a little sportier. I like the stock version, but this version looks great. Black hood, MC5s, taillights done. Highlight. There you go, right there in the highlight. Oh, you can't even see that shot, huh? Of where I'm putting the highlights. Basically, so they don't blow away. Oh! Ford Bronco. Look at the 22B in black with gold rims. Dang. Did they do a black 22B? I don't know if they did, but who cares? That is fantastic. I like the PR5s on it too. And there's another Kia. Another highlight. We're rolling in the highlights. And my hands are about as cool as my hands are cold, and that means really cold. 2Chet Z Miata looking cool too. And there's another 22B. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. I really wonder if there's anyone close going, what is going on? What is this guy out there in the middle of nowhere doing? Speed Driver 85 Honda CRX and the Cardia Asada. Oh, that's tacos. Delicious. I tell you, well, quote unquote, not my cup of tea. This is definitely cool. These are really creative. Love that. So we'll put that in the highlight video for sure. Oh. Surf's up in the Jag, but this. I showed this on my Instagram. This is a really special car. See that RS? That stands for Race Service. Race Service has been working with Hot Wheels. They work with a lot of car companies. They're kind of like an ad firm. I don't think they're kind of like they are. Marketing, advertising, branding, all that kind of stuff. And this particular Camaro was it's based on a real car which was shown at SEMA back in 2019, hand painted by Ornamental Conifer. Look him up. In fact, if you look, we'll talk about this more in the highlights. See that Conifer right there? This is his work. It's really, really cool. We saw it, if you remember, I spoke with Rod Chong on my Instagram live interview, and he had a Porsche 935. They call it the 935X. And Ornamental Conifer also painted that car. This is a major highlight. I love this. We'll talk more about that car. Maybe I'll do a little write-up on it. Now that we have the Hot Wheels version. I didn't know it was in that case. I thought it was coming later. Oh my gosh, my hands are cold. Mazda again, Koenigsegg, and the Fastbed hauler, which we've seen. The other thing I gotta clean. Oh, dang, I gotta clean this up. Eric Stein rod looking fantastic in this green. Eric Hans casting, which is brilliant. And here's the gasser, guys. The Guster gasser, go crazy for it. It is fantastic. Some people say, gasser, overdone. Okay, you guys say it. Hooray, gasser, overdone. And then everyone else will go buy it. That is another highlight. Wow. Okay. Put that in the highlight pile. And then the GMC Cyclone, which is nice. This is a good case. Good case. Cardia Asada again, Manga Tuner, and the Veloso Racer. Oh, another highlight. Look at this. Look at this. Mclaren Speedtail. Dang, this is a great case. Looking good in kind of a burnt orange. I love what they did with that arrow wheel in the front. There's the Koenigsegg again. And what's the other? Oh, the Skull Shaker in purple. I should probably give that its due. And to finish off, more highlights. Custom 18 Ford Mustang and a Formula Drift. A lot of Formula Drift fans out there. 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, the fast bed hauler once again. And finally, oh good, we get one more of the Ford GT40 surrounded by the Forward Force and the Ford Bronco. Okay, highlights galore in this case. Let's make sure they don't fall down into the deep crevices of this canyon, and let's make sure the box doesn't either. Let's get that over here in the snow, and let's show off some of the highlights. There are definitely some right there. That's the real highlight, right? There's some other highlights, and I'd say some of the other three, among many that we will show, are these as well. Wow, digging. You guys tell me what you think. What do you think of the view? I got to clean this all up, get in my warm car, and keep on driving. Thanks, everybody. Bye.